This FITCAMX 4K dash camera is custom-shaped for the Mustang Mach-E, replacing the factory trim behind the rearview mirror so it looks built-in and does not clutter the windshield. Video quality is impressively sharp at ultra-high-definition 2160p with a bright wide aperture lens and wide dynamic range that keeps license plates and road signs readable even at night. Installation is genuinely straightforward thanks to a plug-and-play harness that uses the car's existing connectors, so there are no dangling cables and no need to tap fuses. The built-in wireless connection and companion application make it easy to preview the live view, adjust settings, and quickly save important clips straight to a phone without removing the memory card. Loop recording and an impact-sensing G-sensor work together to automatically preserve collision footage while continuously recording. And the included 64GB card offers plenty of space for daily driving. Build quality feels solid with heat-resistant materials rated for extreme cabin temperatures, giving confidence that the camera will keep working reliably through hot summers and cold winters.